Hai guys, jadi hari ini aku lagi nginep di Widuri Hotel loh. Terus hari ini aku mau nyobain laundrynya di Widuri Hotel.
Good morning, laundry service. Good morning, laundry service. Good morning, laundry service. Good morning, miss. I am Baik from laundry section. Do you have any laundry for today? Secondly, miss, you have 2 towel and 1 hoodie. Is that correct?
Yes.
Any special instruction do you want? In our hotel we have washing, dry cleaning, and cleaning only.
I want wash it dulu.
Washing only. May I know what service do you want? We have 1 day service, express service, and emergency service.
I want 1 day service.
May I know what finishing do you want? We have on hanger, folding, and on star shift.
I want folding.
Alright, miss. May I repeat your laundry?
Sure.
So, miss, we have 2 towel and 1 hoodie. So the total is 3 pieces. And you choose washing only and 1 day service. And you choose folding. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Alright, thank you, miss. Wait for your laundry. We will process your laundry as soon as possible. If you have any problem, just call dial number 0 from your telephone. Thank you.